Today, we are conducting a metal recovery test on copper smelting slag. In this slag, you can clearly see many visible copper particles, along with some other metals. The objective of this test is to recover the metal particles from the slag using a jig machine. The jig works based on density difference. Under pulsating water flow, heavier metal particles move downward, while lighter slag particles rise to the top. First, the slag is crushed to the required particle size. Then the material is fed into our laboratory jig machine for separation. The lighter materials are discharged from the upper outlet, which becomes the tailings after separation. The heavier metal particles settle to the bottom and are discharged through the bottom outlet. Here you can see the recovered metal particles. The yellow particles at the end are copper, which is the main target metal for this test. Some other metals are also present, according to the client's requirements. These materials will be returned to the furnace for further smelting and recovery.